So we had a pile of wood sitting here and we moved it over to a different area, and when we moved it we had a vacant spot right here. No grass was growing, it was just dirt. So my grandson comes over and he sees the dirt and he's thinking, gotta plant something. So he's like, Granny, Papa, give me plants, and he grabs his shovels and he starts digging. So even though we had not intended on, I'm never going to tell my babies that they can't plant food. And because having them out here in the garden is the whole intent of them planting it and seeing it grow up and then harvesting the food from it. So we planted. We went in the sunroom where we had seeds going and grabbed something that was ready and we planted.
Hello, welcome to Homestead Garden and Homestead. We're gonna make a home for
Tomatillos.
tomatillos. 2 tomatillos. Me and Papa has the biggest hole. I'm trying to get a big hole. I found another worm.
Awesome. That means the soil's good.
I see a thin worm. Come on. Come see. There it is.
See how deep mine is? That's how deep his needs to be. You want to help him, Mama?
There's one right there. That's a big one. Look at that. Do you want me to help you?
Yeah, sure. Look at that.
Yum. Well, not going to eat it.
Just kidding.
But it does mean we have good soil.
Keep digging. Wait, Granny.
Yeah.
I need to get something.
Okay.
I'll be back in a moment. Just, that's how you have to do it.
There you go.
Remember what I showed you? There you go.
Good job, buddy.
Good job, my man. Good job.
Come over from this. No.
Perfect zone.
There you go.
Here comes the
on the other.
storm.
I know. Think this is deep enough, Papa? Just a little bit further.
Oh, that's a nice one.
Look at all those worms coming out.
What? Ah,
Let me see.
I've never noticed that. Hey, stop it, rain. Can't fight the rain. Hoochie Garden fans, you can, if you have a backyard, you can garden all this. And have,
All right, here, Mr. Man.
and have a big feast with your friends. And your family.
Yeah.
You're gonna come help dig all this out.
Yeah. I found something that was buried under here for a long time.
Did you?
Yeah.
Good job, buddy.
Yeah, I think that's good.
If you listen very carefully, if you want to plant, you do this, you put your hand over, do that, do this, then do that, then do that, And then voila.
And we can see the roots.
Now watch what Granny does. I'm gonna come around it. We're not pushing real hard, but you want to make sure there's no air pockets. Yeah, all the way around.
No air
Wasn't recording.
Okay, watch Granny. Wait a minute, wait. Now be sure you get it centered, and then push it down really good. There we go. We got it straight. There we go. 2 tomatillos. We don't really want to pack the soil around it. We're gonna
I'll
have,
plant one in the middle.
we'll think of something.